Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a 2016 Nissan Sentra key fob. First, remove the mechanical key by sliding the release and pulling it out. Carefully pry the fob open at the seam with a flat tool, then remove the old CR 2025 and note its orientation. Place the new CR 2025 positive side up, snap the case closed, reinsert the mechanical key, and test all buttons to confirm the fob works. Changing the battery is straightforward with a couple of tips to avoid damage. Start on a clean surface to keep small parts from getting lost. Handle the circuit board by its edges and avoid touching contacts. If the case is stubborn, warm it briefly with your hands to loosen the plastic. Always buy a fresh CR 2025 from a reliable brand and dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling point. After replacing the battery, confirm the key fob functions fully by testing all buttons and range. If the fob still fails, try reseating the battery and inspecting contacts for corrosion. Clean contacts gently with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab, avoiding soaked swabs. If problems persist, the case or internal switch may be faulty and require replacement. A dealer or locksmith can program or replace the fob if it is beyond simple repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.